So, today I'm gonna be doing keep your eyes open while trying to sneeze. I feel like I can do it, so let's get it. I don't like this feeling, by the way. I think I did it. Alright, let me do it one more time just in case I didn't. Alright, y'all, the grind does not stop. I just got done reviewing and I failed epically both times, so I got duct tape on my side. Let's get it. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. Dude, I definitely did it that time. Alright guys, that's it. Dude, I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but I know I got it that last time. I just saw it. This weekend, I'm gonna be doing the burger taste. Dude, this was left hand. I'm gonna be doing the burger challenge. If my friends are down to do it anyways. That's my outro.